Well, good morning and welcome to my first ride out on the Bantam. So I'm just taking it for a ride round the block, as it were. So it's a proper speed machine, this. I mean, we were going along like stink. What we're doing, somewhere around about 30 miles an hour. So this is tremendous. It's a 3-speed as far as I can work out. It was 1 down and 2 up. So I'm just riding along, and it's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. So this is it. This is my first ride out on the Bantam. First proper ride out. Oh no, I've got a bus to overtake. See if we can get past the bus. Amazing. This is pretty awesome, I must say. I mean, it's a little bit of a hard ride, but it's a ride. it's going along quite nicely. So we're doing like 30 miles an hour, which is just awesome. I really had no idea I'd get it going. You know my expertise when it comes to mechanics. I had the theory where it's a lot cheaper to employ an expert to get it right first time than to ask about and try and sort out my my massive errors. So let's go this way. I don't know where we're going now. I have no idea. Oh yes, I do. I know where I am now. So we can only go one way here, which is left. Oh, front brake isn't all that clever. Oh. So it did die, but we'll forgive it for that. So there are no mirrors on this. So yeah, it's only 3-speed. So we're proper rattling along now. So there you go, look. Oh, it's struggling to climb the hill. That's it. We made it up that slight incline. So all I've got to do now is work out. I may have to go down round the roundabout and then all the way back up again. So this is so this is still working, this is still going well. I have no idea who's behind me. It's just trying to remember how the gears work on this, because it's on the right hand side and not the left hand side, like you'd normally have on a modern bike. So it's just remembering where everything is. So I hope it doesn't die. I hope it doesn't die. I think what might be happening is that is my old what do you call it? That filter I put on. I put a new fuel filter, and I think what might be happening is that it's suffering from a little bit of fuel starvation. But we'll see. Now all I've got to do is try and get up that hill. So yeah, this is terrific. This has just brought so much fun, so much joy. Now this is the test, trying to get up here. Come on girl, you can do it, you can do it. We're nearly there. Oh, we're nearly there. That's it. Hey, we made it. It's like a Rolls can hardly. It rolls down hills and can hardly get up the other side. So I do believe it might have something to do with this fuel filter that's on here. But there you go. These things are sent to try us. So here we go. Try and slow down a bit. Oh no! Oh no, it stopped. There we go again. I don't know if there's a lot of smoke behind me or what, but this is tremendous fun. It really is tremendous fun. Can I make it? Can I make it? Yes, I can. Take the racing line through there. So that's it then. I've got 3 speeds. And well, I'm gonna stop the Insta because it's it keeps falling over. I haven't timed it up enough. That's it. Now we're properly going. Look at this. We are steaming along, nearly doing 40 miles an hour. Would you believe it? It's doing nearly 40 miles an hour. Yeah, there's a definite sweet spot on the on the accelerator. But this is so much fun. This has brought me so much joy this morning. I'm really chuffed, really pleased that I've bought this now. Now I've finally got it going. Now the next real big test is to take it on a big ride, maybe all the way to Loomis one day, but today's not the day. So all we've got to do is try and get the what's name worked out on this. Is to try and get the what's name, the carburettor sorted out so it does tick over nicely. So here we go then, this is it. Yeah, so all we've got to do is get the right amount of doobie watch it on the thingamabob. Get the carburettor running sweetly. But there you go, look. 35 miles an hour, flat out. Give it a little bit of a wriggle on the doobie. I really have to get some mirrors or a mirror so I can see what is behind me. But for a first proper run out on this, it's pretty awesome, I must say. I am thoroughly enjoyed this. So there you go, that's me.